Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you with this new ceramic lighter install for the Yoder on my Yoder Y640. Your first order of business, of course, remove your diffuser plate and all that kind of sort of thing. You've got to get your old igniter out. Now, if y'all can see down there, there's two tiny little screws underneath it, okay? And I've already kind of loosened them on mine, but they're 5/16 screws, all right? So you're gonna need your socket with an extension, but you've got to get those screws out. You can see that one down there to the left. First order of business to removing the old igniter, okay, down there, and pull the lighter out, or the igniter out. See, with all the cord and everything. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to disconnect this right here and take the old igniter out. Okay, unplug this old one, all right, and plug the new one in. Now we're going to shove all those wires back in that hole there and screw those two screws. It's just two screws. See, y'all can see right down there. See the two screw holes at the bottom? Yeah, right there. We're going to put those two screws back in there, and we're done with this part of the process. This fuse just came right out of here, all right? You took a screwdriver, and let me flip it around so y'all can see, and unscrewed that. It came right out of there. We'll pull this fuse out and replace it with the new fuse that came with the igniter. And for those of you asking, yes, you do have to use the new fuse. It will blow the old one. So I'm going to keep the old one over here in a bag run by an old igniter just for a spare. All right, we're going to put the little burn grate back in there, and we're going to run a test. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and crank it up. Let's see how this new igniter got it going here. I guess I'll let it put a few more pellets in here. We'll have something with ignite right away. And we'll just see how this does. Obviously, this one's supposed to be faster, more efficient igniter for the Y640. This is the same one that comes on the new Y640Ss and 1500S and all that kind of stuff. And you can put this on your 1500 or a 640, or I imagine the 480 as well. So we'll go ahead, and this is real time here. Just hang out with y'all for a second, and we'll see what it takes to get this thing started. Putting about 40 seconds here already. So, you know, I can already smell a little bit of something here. And the pellets we're using are lumberjack. There's a little bit of cherry with char hickory mixed in somewhat. So that's just in case you're wondering. That makes a difference at all to you. But we're gonna go here. I can smell it for sure. Not for sure when you have natural light here. I probably should have gone ahead and started my old one with the old igniter and just compared these two. I wish I had done that, but oh well. Oh yeah, I can see it glowing down there, and we've got a little bit of smoke. Okay, so 1 minute, 19 seconds, we've got smoke here for sure. All right, y'all can see that burling through there. So, and I haven't really watched this much without my plate on, but I can tell you right now, yeah, we've got fire. So this is when I would normally shut my pit down and go ahead and yeah, there's a flame. So at 1 minute and 40 seconds, we 100% had a flame going here on the new ceramic igniter on the Y640 Yoder smoker. I hope this helps y'all. I'm sorry it wasn't a better video where I could have gotten me actually doing the stuff, but had to film this one with my iPhone, my hands on down there. So y'all can go to All Things Barbecue and get this one for about $59 and get you started. So we're lit.